Okay, and now to quiz one. So first and foremost, we want to read very carefully the instructions. Here it's telling us that the answers, not only the answers, but all answers for the quiz are found right here in the Vista College policies. And this is back out on the course home page or course front page. And the other thing we need to be familiar with is that we need 100% so that we then have access to our course on the first day of class. But the nice thing is we can retake this quiz as many times as we need. So first and foremost, we need to become familiar with the information of the questions we're going to be asked. So we're going to go back out to our front page. We are going to click on Vista College Policies right here below the course information and get familiar with this information. So get familiar with the policies and the information here. You can print it out. You can even open it up in another window if you'd like. But when you feel good about it, we're going to go back out to the front page and click on the quiz again. All right. When we feel that we're prepared, we're going to go ahead and click Attempt Quiz Now. And we can get started. So we've got 20 questions to answer shown over here on the left. Each question will be in its own page. So as I answer questions, I'd simply click the next button here. So after I have clicked on a couple options here, and I'm not going to go through all of them for sake of time, but once I go through all 20 questions, then I would click Finish Attempt, which will be down here or right even up here underneath the questions. So once I click on that, I can see what I have answered and what I have not answered, because you can go back and forth and answer a question later if you like. Once everything is answered and I feel good about it, I'm going to click Submit All and Finish, and then Submit All and Finish again. This is going to then take us to a page to show us how we did. So I got 1 out of 20 questions right, which isn't too terribly good. We can see those with red are incorrect, those green underline are correct. And we can go through each and every one and see what we did right with the green check, those that we answered incorrectly with the red X. And so the goal here is to get 100%. Once we have looked at that, we can click Finish Review here at the bottom. And that's going to take us to this score page here showing how many attempts we have taken. This is the first attempt, when we finished it, how we did score-wise, and then we can even review that attempt. Now what's also nice is here's the reattempt quiz if I need to take it again. In this case I obviously would need to, and we can take this as many times as we need to. Now the reason why the 100% score is important is because if we go back out here to our course front page, once we get that 100% mark, we will be able to unlock this course completion certificate to where we can save it and even print it out. And that is important because once that happens, it then triggers you to be able to access your course on the first day of class. So very important that we get 100% on the quiz, and complete the whole orientation. So we've got to complete the whole orientation as well as get the 100% on the quiz. And once we do that, we'll have access to course on the first day of class.